With the development of economy and the change of human living habits, a large amount of consumption behaviors and the use of disposable products have brought huge and insoluble waste problems to the earth. The garbage produced by human beings is not properly collected and disposed of, and with the sun and rain, it seeps into the earth and the ocean, affecting everything and causing serious pollution. The garbage generated by human beings without being well collected and properly treated, which could affect the environment and cause serious pollution by daily natural ecosystems, such as from the river to the land, even to the ocean. In order to reduce the pollution caused by garbage, it is up to you and me to properly handle the problem of garbage. We have only one Earth, harmonious coexistence between human and nature. It starts with you and me to reduce the pollution caused by garbage and deal with it properly. With its unique advantages of mountains, seas, rivers, and harbors, Kaohsiung has developed step by step to the rise of the trend of a harbor city and bring the power of change to the city. Kaohsiung is proud of the ocean. With the industrial development and leisure industry flourishing, with the development of industry and the prosperity of the leisure industry, the Renwu Resource Recovery Plant of Kaohsiung City is active in proper waste disposal, waste reduction, resource recycling, and promotion of environmental education. The plant is located at number 100 Ren'an 2nd Lane, Renwu District, Kaohsiung City. The plant is divided into waste incineration incinerator, paper money incineration incinerator, and feedback facilities. 12.93 hectares, including 4.44 hectares of feedback facilities. There is a chimney with a height of 120 meters. The Renwu plant was completed on February 10, 1989. The planned daily waste incineration capacity is 450 metric tons per furnace, with a total of 1,350 metric tons for 3 furnaces. Since December 1, 2010, Daho Environmental Services Company Limited has acquired the Renwu plant. The construction and operation of the military factory was transferred to ROT Contract Management for 15 years. The Renwu plant is located near the densely populated area of Kaohsiung City, the Renwu Industrial District, the Renda Industrial, and nearby the Renwu Industrial Park, which has been actively promoted by our government as a high-tech S corridor and can properly handle household waste and industrial waste produced by the general public. The service area of Renwu plant covers 14 administrative districts, including Renwu District and Da Community. In addition, it also accepts the garbage dispatching operation from the Environmental Protection Bureau of Kaohsiung City Government and supports to assist in the garbage dispatching of Kaohsiung City and the Regional Cooperation Garbage Dispatching of the Environmental Protection Administration. Weighbridge system. The process of waste incineration at Renwu plant is roughly like this. Waste is collected by garbage trucks from various cleaning teams around the city area and transported to Renwu plant. Garbage trucks carry waste into the factory and weigh it at the weighbridge. After being sensed by a contactless proximity card, digital system will help to report a statistical analysis and recording of the source, weight, vehicle number, and time of the garbage carried by the computer. Dumping site. Inspectors conduct traffic command and inspect garbage in the refuse dumping area. Maintain safety and vehicle control. Implement industrial safety incidents to prevent people from falling into the refuse bunker and implement emergency plans. There are 15 dumping gates for put-in garbage in the refuse bunker. Vehicle wash. After dumping the garbage, the vehicle will be driven directly to the vehicle wash area to wash the exterior, chassis, and wheels to prevent odor and pollution of the road and the surrounding environment. After cleaning, the vehicle could be weighed for the second time and leave the factory. Refuse bunker. The capacity of the garbage storage pit is 17,000 cubic meters, which can store 16,000 tons of garbage. To prevent the stench generated by the large amount of garbage, the Kaohsiung Renwu Resource Recovery Plant adopts an airtight negative pressure design so that the stench in the storage pit is sucked into the incinerator by the exhaust fan as air for combustion to solve the odor problem. The refuse drainage injection system is also installed at the bottom of the refuse bunker, and the refuse drainage is sprayed into the furnace for incineration, so there is no problem of refuse drainage flowing out. Waste feeding and incineration. The waste dumped into the storage pit is grabbed and mixed by the waste crane, and then the waste is put into the incinerator feeding port and automatically weighed by the device on the crane, and records are kept. The waste is dried, burned, and ashed by the staggered movement of the grate in the furnace bed and preheated air blowing, during which a high temperature of 850 to 1050 degrees is maintained so that the waste is completely burned. Heat recovery system. The heat generated during the combustion process will be used to generate high-pressure steam to drive the turbine unit to achieve the reuse of thermal energy resources. We could turn waste to energy, generate 240 million kilowatt-hours of electricity per year, provide electricity to 100,000 households for 1 year. Air pollution prevention equipment. The waste gas from the waste combustion process will pass through the waste gas treatment system, including semi-dry flue gas washing tower, activated carbon injection equipment, selective non-destructive media nitrogen oxide removal equipment (SNCR), and bag filter dust collector. The waste gas is treated with better than the regulatory emission standards and then dissipated through the stack up to 120 meters in order to reduce the impact on the air quality. Waste prevention and control. The bottom slag generated from waste combustion is cooled and transported to the bottom slag storage pit by vibrating conveyor belt for temporary storage, and then transported to the bottom slag reuse treatment site by legal vehicles for reuse to achieve the policy of zero waste recycling. The fly ash collected from the waste gas treatment system is cured and temporarily placed in the fly ash storage warehouse in the plant, and then transported to the burial ground for burial after passing the test to avoid secondary pollution. Wastewater harnessing treatment. The wastewater treatment of the plant adopts zero discharge and is completely recycled, among which the wastewater from reuse bunker is directly sprayed into the furnace for incineration, while other wastewater, such as car washing wastewater, living wastewater, and recycled wastewater are completely recycled for use in the plant after physical and biological treatment respectively. Control Central Room. The Control Central Room will be monitored by different digital monitoring systems, such as Decentralized Digital Control System, DCS, Continuous Emission Monitoring System, CEMS, Closed Circuit Television, CCTV, etc. Through the Control Central Room personnel 24 hours a day to control the inspection of incineration equipment, each workstation data information can be transmitted in real time. This allows technicians to effectively and quickly respond to adjustments to reduce the incidence of disasters and ensure the safety of plant personnel and equipment. In order to reduce air pollution caused by direct burning of paper money, the EBP continues to promote the donate to social welfare organizations and then return to the ancestors with merit certificates during the Qingming Festival and Ghost Festival. The public can collect and transport paper money to a special furnace for burning through the sanitation team or transfer the expense of buying paper money to help social welfare organizations, which can reduce air pollution and make public welfare at the same time. Kaohsiung City Environmental Protection Bureau has been conducting centralized paper money burning activities since 2003 and this year has entered its 10th year. According to Kaohsiung City Environmental Protection Bureau, the annual amount of paper money centralized burning in Kaohsiung City reached 751 tons in 2021, and the total pollution reduction results were 2.65 tons of TSP, 2.34 tons of PM10, 2.07 tons of PM2.5, and 0.52 tons of nitrogen oxides. Kaohsiung City Environmental Protection Bureau in early 2022, in order to improve the public's perception of waste incinerators after the purification ceremony of the special furnace, still have doubts. In the South District Resources Recycling Plant and Renwu Plant each completed the installation of a paper money furnace. It can treatment 2,200 tons of paper money per year, combined with advanced catalyst ceramic filter dust collector, pollutant removal efficiency of more than 90%. The annual reduction of granular material of about the waste heated generated during the burning process can also be recovered and reused through a recycling system. The centralized burning of paper money is a complementary measure that provides the public with the opportunity to take care of both folk needs and air quality, and calls on the public to actively cooperate to reduce air pollution. The feedback facilities is located at number 776, Section 3, Shuiguan Road, Wulingli, Renwu District, next to the Renwu Incineration Plant, covering an area of about 4.4 hectares. The facilities in the feedback area are as follows. Comprehensive gymnasium. There is a 25 meters long by 17 meters wide by 1.2 to 1.4 meters deep indoor swimming pool, including an adult pool and a children's pool for children, which can provide fun for parents and children, as well as independent spectator seats for holding competitions. There is also an indoor basketball court 26 meters long by 15 meters wide and 2 badminton courts. In addition, a 0.75 meters high stage and fixed bleachers are provided for multi-purpose use, which can be used for basketball and badminton competitions and local gatherings. There has also a public activity center, a sports park, and an outdoor court in the feedback area, providing a place for people near the Renwu plant to exercise and relax. The Renwu plant was operated steadily under the direction and supervision of the Kaohsiung Municipal Government and the Kaohsiung Municipal Environmental Protection Bureau, and the ROT contract for the construction and operation transfer of the Renwu plant was acquired by Daho Environmental Services Company from December 1, 2020. In addition to its operations, the Renwu plant has made every effort to build an excellent social image and deepen local relations, caring for the disadvantaged groups and regular environmental education and promotion, changing the stereotypical image of the incineration plant in the minds of the public. And the Renwu incineration plant was also awarded the top prize in the EPA's 2021 Annual Waste Incineration Plant Inspection Evaluation. Renwu plant goals and features. 1. Improve the stability and safety and to properly handle the waste in Kaohsiung. 2. Reduce the release of air pollution and bottom sludge. Reduce the burden on the environment and improve environmental quality. 3. Increase energy creation and energy saving and trying to become a high efficiency and green energy incineration plant. 4. Digital transformation to become a future technology incineration plant. 5. As a local environmental protection base for the sustainable development of the local environment. Renwu plant multifaceted goals and features: construction upgrade, transformation, support 2050 net zero emissions policy. Let us work together to protect this earth.